any man who wishes to divorce his wife shall, as soon as may be after the pronouncement of talaq in any form whatsoever, give the chairman notice in writing of his having done so, and shall supply a copy thereof to the wife. First up, whoever contravenes the provisions of subsection 1 shall be punishable with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 year, or with fine which may extend to 5,000 rupees, or with both. First up, save as provided in subsection 5, a talaq, unless revoked earlier expressly or otherwise, shall not be effective until the expiration of 90 days from the day on which notice under subsection 1 is delivered to the chairman. First up, within 30 days of the receipt of notice under subsection 1, the chairman shall constitute an arbitration council for the purpose of bringing about reconciliation between the parties, and the arbitration council shall take all steps necessary to bring about such reconciliation. First up, if any husband fails to maintain his wife adequately, or where there are more wives than one fails to maintain them equitably, the wife or all or any of the wives may, in addition to seeking any other legal remedy available, apply to the chairman, who shall constitute an arbitration council to determine the matter, and the arbitration council may issue a certificate specifying the amount which shall be paid as maintenance by the husband. First up, if a father fails to maintain his child, the mother or grandmother of the child may, in addition to seeking any other legal remedy, apply to the chairman, who shall constitute an arbitration council, and the arbitration council may issue a certificate specifying the amount which shall be paid by the father as maintenance of the child. First up, a husband or wife may, in the prescribed manner, within the prescribed period, and on payment of the prescribed fee, prefer an application for revision of the certificate to the collector concerned, and his decision shall be final and shall not be called in question in any court. First up, any amount payable under subsection 1 or 2, if not paid in due time, shall be recoverable as arrears of land revenue. First up.